everyone, and welcome to a banging, popping and stunning new video. Today we are going to be your guide for the 30th Macau International Firework Display Contest. It is 6 fiery nights of firework displays, with firework masters from around the globe coming to Macau for an explosive battle of dazzling shows that will light up the night sky. The fireworks will be launched in front of Macau Tower at 9 p.m. and at 9:40 p.m. This year's competing countries are the following: Malaysia, Philippines, Portugal, Korea, United Kingdom, Romania, South Africa, Canada, France, China, Japan, and Australia. The first fireworks are about to launch, so let's head to Macau Tower and check them out. So now that you've seen the fireworks shows, we want to show you a behind-the-scenes look at how these incredible displays are put together. We got a chance to go out and see the launch boats as they set up. Colorful explosions in the sky more than a carnival. That's right, nothing. And that's why the fireworks carnival set up by the Macau Tower is the perfect combo to your fireworks night. So let's go have a look. Such a spectacular event, you want to make sure you get the best seats in the house. So now, with our hunger satisfied, I'm going to show you some great locations in Macau to watch the firework displays. But it's a little too dark, so let's do some cool transitions to daytime. Of course, you got the front row view just below the Macau Tower. And here at the Science Museum, you can watch the fireworks being launched over Kunyum statue. And in celebration of this awesome spot, here is a sciencey fact for you. Did you know that fireworks were invented in China over 2,000 years ago? And here at the top of Panga Hill, you can enjoy a beautiful bird's eye view of the fireworks displays. And finally, the leisure area of Tai Po Waterfront provides a breathtaking alternative view. Now that you know where to watch the fireworks, let's talk about why exactly Macau has this wonderful event. Fireworks actually runs deep in Macau's history. During the 50s and 60s, it was Macau's main industry, and they were the largest producer of firecrackers in the world. In fact, the largest manufacturer of firecrackers in Macau employed over 1/3 of the population and produced around 3 million crackers a day. In the 80s, the annual Macau International Fireworks Display Contest was launched. Macau Government Tourism Office staged the inaugural edition of the Macau International Fireworks Display Contest in 1989, which featured 5 participating teams. Harking back to Macau's firecracker past, this International Fireworks Display Contest brings bright, vibrant colors to the night skies of Macau and joy to the hearts of those watching. It really is an unmissable event that displays Macau's history in the most grand way possible. And we hope that this video helps you make the most out of it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.